Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, putting out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Macchiato beige MB Tex interior, sunroof, ambient lighting, spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, clean set of floor mats, blind spot assist, premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, natural grain black ash wood trim. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, gloss black center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, NFC wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This E-Class has 38,119 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.